STARTRC has sent over a bunch of gear for the Insta360 Luna Ultra. I love this camera, but because it's so new, there isn't a lot of stuff out for it yet. Brands are starting to release accessories for it though, including STARTRC, so let's just go ahead and check out the first item we have here, the wide angle lens. This lens is actually wider than the official one from Insta360 at 114 degrees versus 108 degrees. That extra width gives you noticeable breathing room for arm's length vlogging or filming in tight spaces. When filming yourself, it keeps your face from filling up the entire shot while showing a lot more of your environment. It magnetically snaps on, but know that if you're powering down your camera while it's attached, it'll bump into the gimbal and rotate around. It's designed to do this so that you can still slide the camera into the protective cover without having to take the lens off first. Super useful lens when you need a wider shot, but if you want to take full control over your lighting and overall image quality, we have this filter kit. It comes with a variable ND, a circular polarizer, and a black mist filter. Let's quickly go over what each filter does and when you'd actually use them. The variable ND gives you 1 to 5 stops of light control. This will probably be your most used filter in the set because it allows you to lock your shutter speed to follow the 180 degree rule without constantly swapping filters when the lighting changes. By cutting down the amount of light hitting your sensor, it gives you that natural motion blur so that your footage doesn't end up looking jittery or choppy. Next is the circular polarizer. This filter cuts reflections on glass and water while boosting color saturation, making blue skies pop and green foliage look much richer. You rotate the ring on the CPL to dial in or dial back how much reflection you're cutting, depending on your angle relative to the sun. And lastly, we have the black mist filter. This is used to take away that harsh digital sharpness straight out of the camera. It also gives you a subtle glow around light sources and softens skin tones, which gives your footage a much smoother cinematic feel, especially if you're shooting at night or in backlit environments. These filters come in this storage case to keep everything organized, but if you want to keep everything in a single package, we have this protective case. The protective cover that comes with the Luna Ultra works well, but it doesn't fully protect the camera and it only has slots to hold 2 filters. This case from STARTRC, however, gives total protection for the camera and can hold up to 4 filters. This is a rigid dual lock housing, so it won't accidentally pop open on you. Inside, it easily holds the Luna Ultra, but has an open bottom so that you can leave the threaded handle or battery grip attached. There are dedicated magnetic cutouts so you can store the wide angle lens and 3 filters directly inside the cover. You can attach a wrist or neck strap to this case with a cutout on the bottom, or because this is designed to look like a cat? I think it's a cat. Whatever it is, it has ears. So you can use those ears to attach a strap to the case. I actually prefer this case instead of the original one because I can keep all of my filters in here. If you need something that can hold more accessories though, we have this carrying case. This all-in-one carrying case is designed to hold the Luna Ultra and all its essential accessories. It has precision cutouts for the camera with extended handle attached, the protective cover, the battery grip, a Mic Pro transmitter, and a fill light or other small gear. On the inside of the lid is a zippered mesh pocket for items like charging cables. And there's elastic compartments to hold extra filters and memory cards. You can carry it with the included shoulder strap, by the handle, or just toss it into a backpack and know that everything is organized in one place. Great carrying case, but if you don't need something this big and just want a rugged option for the Luna Ultra itself, we have the smaller one here. So yeah, this is a smaller case for your Luna Ultra. It has a custom molded cutout for the camera, but can also fit with the extension handle attached and even the protective cover. There's also a zippered mesh pocket in the lid to store cables and spare memory cards. It has a built-in soft hand strap so you can carry it around, but it also comes with a carabiner clip in case you want to attach it to the outside of your backpack. It's water and scratch resistant to protect your gear from rain and dirt. It's another useful case, but smaller. The last item we have here is this sling bag. I own a lot of bags, but when I need something small for the day, I like to use this crossbody bag. The exterior is made from water-resistant material, so it protects your gear on the inside, but also makes it easy to wipe clean when it gets dirty. The main compartment is big enough to hold the Luna Ultra and other gear you might need for the day, like a small drone. There's a divider in here to organize your stuff along with a mesh pocket. And on the front of the bag is another compartment to hold slim items like a phone or power bank. The strap on the bag has a one-pull quick release feature for when you want to take the bag off really fast. I really don't know why you'd need this, but I'm sure it's useful for someone. If you're interested in any of these accessories, I'll have everything linked in the description. Everyone has different needs, but if you want my opinion for the way that I shoot, the protective case and the filter kit are the first things that I'd pick up. But yeah, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and consider subscribing. It really helps out the channel. And let me know in the comments what accessories you're waiting to see for the Luna Ultra. I know I'm still waiting for someone to come out with an attachment to hold the remote. Please, STARTRC or anyone, every Luna Ultra owner wants this, I think.